Imagine turning on your computer and everything just works. No forced updates, no pop-ups asking you to sign into accounts you never wanted, no slowing down over time for reasons nobody can explain. If you're tired of Windows headaches, but the idea of switching operating systems feels risky or complicated, this video is for you. Because today, I'm showing you Linux Mint Debian Edition 7 and why it might be the smoothest, least stressful Windows alternative you've ever tried. This isn't about learning Linux commands. This isn't about becoming a tech expert. This is about everyday computing done calmly and reliably. A lot of people are reaching a breaking point with Windows right now. Privacy concerns keep growing. Updates feel intrusive instead of helpful, and older machines are getting slower, not faster. That's why alternatives are suddenly making sense. And LMDE 7 isn't just another Linux system. It's designed specifically to feel familiar to Windows users while quietly fixing the problems that pushed you away in the first place. Why now? Because LMDE 7 is stable, mature, and polished. It's built on a solid Debian base, but wrapped in a desktop that feels immediately comfortable. You install it once, and then you just use your computer. Let's start with first impressions. Installing LMDE 7 is refreshingly simple. You're guided step by step with clear language and sensible defaults. You pick your language, your keyboard, where to install it, and that's it. No confusing questions, no technical traps. Once it boots, the desktop feels familiar. There's a menu in the bottom left that works like a start menu, a taskbar along the bottom showing running apps, and a file manager that behaves exactly how you expect. If you've ever used Windows, you already know how to navigate this. You don't need to relearn computing. And if you want it to feel even more like home, small tweaks are easy. Change the wallpaper, adjust panel size, switch themes with a couple of clicks. It's customization without chaos. Now let's talk about real everyday tasks. Opening documents feels normal. Word files, Excel sheets, PowerPoint presentations all open smoothly using LibreOffice. You edit, save, and share files without worrying about formats breaking. Cloud storage works the way you expect. USB drives behave like USB drives should. Folders make sense. Nothing feels hidden or locked away. For browsing the web, your favorites are already here. Firefox comes pre-installed, and Google Chrome installs in minutes if that's what you prefer. Email, YouTube, online meetings, everything just works. Watching videos, listening to music, and managing photos is effortless. You double-click a file, and it plays. No codec hunting, no guessing which app to use. This is where LMDE 7 really shines. It stays out of your way. When you want new software, you don't hunt the internet for installers. You open the software manager. You search, you install. It feels a lot like an app store, but without ads or tricks. Everything is reviewed, secure, and centralized. Updates are calm and predictable. They don't interrupt your work. They don't reboot your system unexpectedly. You decide when to update, and it happens quietly in the background. Security is handled for you. There's no constant antivirus nagging. The system is designed to be safe by default. And if you ever need help, the community is massive. Forums, guides, and videos are everywhere. You're never alone, even if you're brand new. So here's the bottom line. LMDE 7 gives you familiarity without frustration, stability without stagnation, and freedom without complexity. If you've been thinking about leaving Windows but didn't want the pain that usually comes with switching, this is your moment. Download LMDE 7. Try it on a spare drive or alongside your current system. Use it for real work, not just testing. And if you want more practical, no-nonsense guides like this, subscribe to the channel. We're here to make switching simple, calm, and actually enjoyable. This isn't about abandoning what you know. It's about finally using a computer that respects you.